cry every night. I don't know why. Oh, why? You stay. Oh. I think you're too loyal. You stay. What's good, loves? I'm back with another video. It's been such a long time since we've done a little review together. First of all, for me to be back, I really hate the fact that I have like this fat ass pimple on the side of my face. What a wonderful way of getting a new video going. But anyways, so let's go ahead and get started with a new video, shall we? With Alluring Treasures. The last Alluring Treasures video that I've done, you guys completely loved it, and I appreciate the love and support. And I'm gonna have a little clip, I guess, right here of Alluring Treasures lingerie, and I will have a link down the description down below that where you can check out that video if you haven't seen it. Also, if y'all guys are wondering where did I get these wonderful, beautiful extensions from, I did have to make the unit and color the hair. So if you are interested on how I did that, you can go straight to my Instagram at AllashiaXO, and you can see the full video on how I achieved and finessed these colors. Also, the link will be down in the description below, of course, of where I got these beautiful extensions from. Now, let's get started with the video, shall we? Well, the first swimsuit that we're going to go over is the Nautical Dreams, and the swimsuit happens to be $31.95, and it comes from the sizes small through extra large. So this is the website. I hope you guys can see that. And then look, there goes my picture right there. That's so cute. So yeah, I completely lost all of the tags with these swimsuits. I got mad excited when my package had came in, so I was like, you know what, I gotta like review it. This is the top. So it's pretty much like a two set, and this is the back. And these are gonna be pretty much the bottoms, very stretchy, have like a nice stretch to it. And I do have it in a size extra large. All of these I have in a size extra large. So of course it tells you pretty much like on the tag, like, you know, hand wash and cold water and such, and what material it is and all that good stuff. I will also have a picture, maybe a video also, of me in the swimsuit. You guys, I completely love this swimsuit. It's not my most favorite, but it is so gorgeous. I actually have like one of my favorites. So I have to say this is probably like my third favorite, but I love the fact that this is like giving me, of course, like beach vibes, but it kind of gives me like Popeye the Sailor Man type of vibes. I don't know, I guess because of the stripes. But I definitely love this swimsuit. It's super comfy and it's very supportive, like under the stomach area. And I know how, of course, like when you're bigger, you kind of want a swimsuit that makes you feel sexy but also covered at the same time, if that makes sense. And because of the fact that the bottoms are so high-waisted, I absolutely adore that. So Alluring Treasures, I thank you, okay, for helping us big sisters out with the high-waisted, you know what I'm saying, good looking out. So we're gonna go next with the, I don't know what that was. I guess that was a little whoa, I don't know. The second swimsuit that I will be reviewing is called Marilyn, and she is $42.95. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys know y'all can like save money by using, you know, AllashiaXO, so make sure you might want to do that. It's going to be AllashiaXO. You can use this code right here to get your money off. So this is the swimsuit, and that's so cute. They got my little picture right there. That's amazing. And when I tell you guys, when I first posted the picture, which the picture and a video will be right here out to the side, I kid you not, I think we sold out by like the first day, and I think the only available sizes that we have is a 2X. Yeah, the medium, the large, the extra large, 3X, and 4X was completely sold out by the first day, but they will let everybody know when there's a restock. So ladies, you have a chance. There's a 2X available. So this is the swimsuit, and if you ask me, this is actually my complete favorite. This is like my number one. I love this because, of course, high-waisted, it covers the stomach but makes you feel also sexy as well on the beach. And another reason why I completely love this swimsuit a lot is the the bra. It's like so supportive. Like, it is so supportive, like with the girls and everything, and it brings everything right on up. So, and it's just adorable. Like, this is like giving me vintage vibes. This is like 50s on the beach, like ladybug style. Like, it's too cute. This is like my favorite one, to be honest. It's too cute. It's too adorable. And of course it'll tell you like the instructions of like how to wash it, and of course it's like, you know, spandex and neon fabric, all that good stuff. It tells you everything on the back, how to take care of it and thereon and such and such. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get to the third one. So the third swimsuit that we're gonna go over is the Floral crosshatch bikini, and she is $34.95. And I think the only available sizes is a medium, a large, an extra large, and a 3XL. So, and this is the swimsuit, and it comes with like multiple images and all that good stuff. The model, she wore hers a little different. I felt like I couldn't really cross it in the back the way how I wanted to because of course my back rolls, and I just felt like it was just unappealing. So I kind of wore it different, if that makes sense. But I mean, who cares? You can see like on the image when I took the picture, I didn't cross it in the back like the model on the picture. I kind of wore it my own way, and you know, I'm pretty much saying like you can wear this kind of like in your own way, whatever makes you comfortable. Like, you can either cross it in the back or you can either like tie it in the front. It's gonna look like this, like, because you're gonna have to cross it and everything, or like tie it in a certain way. And when you like, you know what I'm saying, put it over you and everything, you're supposed to like tie it and whatnot. But I'll have like my picture or a video out to the side. First, these are the bottoms. So yes, not mistaken, this swimsuit kind of runs small, this one right here. So this one was actually in a 2X because of the fact that it ran a little smaller than the others. The others were actually like an extra large, but because this one kind of ran a little smaller than usual, I had to get this one in a 2XL. One thing about the bottoms of this swimsuit, it's like it's not high-waisted, but it's not like a bikini neither. It covers everything that you want to cover, like with your fupa if you're trying to cover that. But furthermore is that, I mean, it's enough to where like it covers, so that's cool. But I have to say this one is actually my second favorite because it made my body look banging, so I'm not even tripping. Okay, so the fourth swimsuit that we have is the blue lagoon swimsuit. She's pretty much your typical bikini. She is $29.95, and the available sizes that they have on their site is a medium, a large, and an extra large. And of course I do have the biggest size. I have the extra large, and this is what she's looking like. So I will have a video or a picture out to the side of how it looks on me. I actually like this swimsuit. The only con that I feel about this swimsuit is that I wish the bottoms were a little high-waisted. Just because, you know, after I had lost weight, yeah, you know, I'm like in the middle of toning, but I still have like that little slight issue with my lower stomach because I still have like a little extra fat, a little extra skin, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like, I wish I had a little more support with that. That makes sense. So if you're the type, you know, you kind of like stuff high-waisted, you like stuff that's gonna cover your stomach, I don't really like recommend this swimsuit just because, like, you know, I know how it is when you want something high-waisted, because this is pretty much like bikini style. That's the only downfall that I hate about it. But I definitely love the top part. The bra part the colors. It's gorgeous. It's very comfortable. I just wish it was high-waisted. I mean, I love the swimsuit because, I mean, shit, it looked good with me. Girl, rock your stomach. Who gives a fuck? Big girls are in. So okay, so the next swimsuit that we are getting into is the covered in stripes monokini, and the available size it comes through is a small through an extra large, but what they have available on their site right now is medium through an extra large. So of course I have the extra large. This is what the swimsuit looks like, and she is also $32.95, but you can save your coins by using Alashia XO. So let's go ahead and do that, sis. Go ahead and save your coins, honey. Save your money. Ain't nothing better than saving a little cash, you know what I'm saying? And I will have a picture, this picture or a video out to the side of what this swimsuit looks like. So the material is very stretchy, and it has like an open little area for like your stomach, but I kind of like it because it's still high-waisted like in the front, but like here it shows like your mid area. So I think this swimsuit is very adorable, and I definitely love the stripes in this. This is like really cute, and of course it'll tell you like what material it is and how you're supposed to wash it and all that good stuff. And let's see, yeah, it just pretty much tells you like what material it is, what size, and how to wash it, and you know, don't bleach, you know, all that good stuff. So yeah, so let's go ahead and go to the next one. Okay, next swimsuit that we have the Leave Me Alone. She is $34.95. But sis, you already know what to do to save your money. Make sure you use my name, Alashia XO. Okay, she comes in the sizes a small through an extra large. No, a 2XL. Okay, cool. So it comes from a small through a 2X. So that's what's up. This is what she looks like on the picture on their website. And here is the swimsuit right here. So she is your average one piece, and she has the strings in the back and pretty much the straps, and it crosses over. So that's what's up, and I will have a little video demonstration out to the side. But yeah, and of course, you know, like I think this is in a size extra large if I'm not mistaken. I'm actually trying to look for the tag. I'm pretty sure it is an extra large. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, you can't even freaking see it. Can't even see it. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so she's an extra large, guys. So let's go on with the last swimsuit that we have for this review. We have the Simple Sally swimsuit, and she comes from a size small through a 2X. They're sold out of their small, but they do have a medium through the 2X available. And this is what she's looking like. You guys, I absolutely, and I think that's so cute. They got my picture also. I love this swimsuit. She's just sexy to me. Like she's just sexy. Like, you know, it's just a one piece. Everything's covered, and for some reason I like black, so that's a bonus. And she kind of, you know, cut low in the back, like halfway. So it's pretty much like half of your back is gonna be showing, but not all of it. So that's cool too. And she's an extra large, and of course it'll tell you like the material, how to wash it, and such and such. Definitely love this swimsuit, like absolutely. Like, I think she is so gorgeous. She's simple, but she's gorgeous. I like this swimsuit is like for somebody that's, you know, really trying to get into like swimsuits, like swimwear, and they, you know, don't really feel comfortable showing their body, but they still want to be comfortable and sexy to where, like, you know, you can be on the beach and still feel, you know, exotic, still feel gorgeous, still feel like, you know, you got that sex appeal, but everything is covered. I would say like this is really the type of swimsuits that's like for someone, you know, that just had a baby, or like for mothers or people that's losing weight, such as myself, that are not ready to like show their bodies or any type of way. but she is gorgeous and you can feel and look just as sexy. So yeah, so that pretty much wraps up everything. I definitely enjoyed doing this with you all. I'm so glad I got a chance to do this review again. If you guys want me to continue to do reviews with lingerie, with clothes, with swimsuits, please let me know. If y'all guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? And until next time, I will see you dolls later. Bye. Wonder if you even notice me.